Media. I am your hostess today, Ishika, the hostess with the mostest. And thank you all so much for being here today. Dishoom and today's trailer launch, today's poster launch wouldn't have been possible without you. I have to say, today we launched our second poster and we were trending, and I'd like to thank the media for that because you guys have been seriously amazing support for us. So we love you. Thank you so much. And today we have some really, really exciting, fun stuff in store for you. Of course, starting with the introduction of my amazing partners in crime, which I'm pretty sure all of you would love to see, these two hot hunks together. And I've had the most amazing time shooting with them. We've gone across many different locations and put this film together, and it's been a lot of hard work and fun and adventure, but we're really, really proud to present it to you today. And so first things first.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for that. And अभी हम लोग Q&A start करते हैं, जो सबसे अहम और important और मस्ती भरा आलम है.
शूटिंग के दौरान कई खबरें आई थी, लाइक कि कभी आपको इंजरी हो रही है, कभी जॉन सर को इंजरी. तो वो दौर क्या था, और उस दौर के बाद जब ये ट्रेलर आप देखते हैं तो हाउ यू बोथ फील?
वो जो दौर था, दौड़ने के वक्त हुआ था. जो मेरे भाई है, एक शॉट था जो गाड़ी के ऊपर जंप करना था मुझे, और इट वाज अराउंड आई थिंक 38 to 40 degrees, and we were not getting the perfect take, and he's quite a perfectionist, and we kept doing it again and again. And I think while jumping over the car, my finger got stuck between the bonnet of the car and the other दूसरा हिस्सा है, and it was very hot as well, and because of that pain I think I got a heat stroke, and I don't think I fainted, but he claims he claims that I
kind of बेहोश हो गए थे टेक्निकली, मतलब कुछ 30 सेकंड के लिए. बट जो कमाल की बात है कि वरुण इस पिक्चर में चॉपर से भी लटके एज यू सॉ, बट तब उन्हें कुछ नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन जंपिंग ओवर दिस कार,
क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे सामने जॉन थे, तो मुझे लगा कि चॉपर को कुछ हो जाए तो ठीक है, कुछ और हो जाए तो मैं जॉन को पकड़ लूंगा, तो ठीक है, तो बच जाऊंगा.
जॉन सर, अगर आप...
I think we had a lot of fun, great action, or I think the action sequences are very large in the film. It's a huge scale film, really huge.
And जैकलीन, अगर आप किसी को डिशुम कहना चाहें तो किसे कहेंगी और क्यों?
Any actress you mean?
No, Lisa.
Who?
Lisa.
Lisa Hayden.
Dishoom. But I just have to say, actually, those lions that you saw, they were actually in front of us, and they were very scary. And so were the camels. So, just because we're talking about scary things.
साई साहब, एक तरफ हाउसफुल 1, 2, 3 आ रही है, एक तरफ डिशुम जैसी फिल्में भी आ रही हैं आपकी तरफ से, तो अभी और क्या क्या प्लानिंग है, क्योंकि ये 2016
बस हो गया
सर, बोलिए ना.
नहीं बस इस साल.
No. Come on.
This year Dishoom is last.
Okay, it is last, but
आप डायरेक्ट करेंगे इस साल?
make something.
Not yet.
Next year.
Trailer is mind blowing, really fresh, not seen here at all.
Thank you.
My question is to the entire cast. This seems like a film which is really close to your hearts. Can you tell us all about one special moment which you had in this film which really made you feel this should work?
I think we'll start with Sajid sir, because I think why he greenlit this film.
We've been trying to work for about 3-4 years, and the first line when he told me, that took me about 2 minutes, 2 minutes line, and it was green lighted then.
Yeah, it was that immediate actually. You know, it's Sajid Bhai's instincts which are so strong, and he's always so decisive that it just gives me a lot of confidence. And it was just his reaction to the basic story that pushed me to just get on board and start writing it, and it just gave me a lot of energy and drive.
I think John.
I think just all of us coming together is fantastic. With Sajid, it's my second film. And I think for me, at least, he's grown more as a friend, and I can confidently say I'm really close to him today. Rohit is like my little brother, so it's after Desi Boys I'm coming back with him. Varun and I, jo aapko dikh raha tha screen on the screen, we're the same off the screen. Our chemistry is absolutely fantastic, absolutely fantastic. And Jackie, of course, I've worked with her before. I'm working with her again. She's a sweetheart. Akshay, I mean, I've been a huge fan of Akshay, so the fact that he's in this film means so much to me personally. I think he's a fantastic actor, and the team, Miros, Nandu, we're a good team together, so it just feels very nice to be on this film. It's very special, and it comes from our heart. We're not forcing a line here. It all comes from the heart.
Yeah.
For me, honestly, it is super emotional. He is my brother, and he is my hero in real life. And I even remember when Desi Boys had released, I went to every theatre, tried to find out what the audience reaction, and it's different. It's different from my film releasing. It's different from my father's film releasing or a friend's film releasing. I can't really put it in words how it feels when your own blood gives his life to make something special. And honestly, I feel there's one person needed who has to be very obsessive when he's making a film, who has to give it his all. He either goes in all or nothing, and that was Rohit. And I'm proud that his madness has made this film work, and that's what you see on screen. It's all him.
It is.
Why you make your fans wait so much to see you on the screen? A long gap.
I had
we really miss you.
Thank you. I had some personal issues which I had to sort out, so I couldn't work for a while. But I'm thrilled to be back with this film and a couple of more films this year. And you were talking about why everybody did the film. I think for me, besides for many other reasons, which a lot of them are standing here, but I think just the one line of the film is so fresh. As even just 36 hours before a India-Pakistan final, a major Indian cricket player gets kidnapped. I mean, just that simple one-liner is so interesting and so fresh. And the fact that I kidnap him makes it even nicer. So that's the reason I was so interested in the film in the first phase.
John, you are a non-smoker in real life, and your character is promoting smoking in this movie. So was it the character as this characteristics which is very important for the movie, was smoking?
Yeah, good question. So I asked Rohit the same thing. I said, I'm a non-smoker and I'm smoking in the film. He said the character is very important. He's saying character comes first, and this is your character. You've got to play the character. So this is something that goes out to the audience. We're not encouraging smoking in this film, very clearly, but it's his character. He's a chain smoker, and there are a lot of scenes in the film that are very relevant to his smoking in the film, which is why, and I think there are fantastic scenes with cigarette. Rohit, you want to stress on that?
Yeah, and he's even in the trailer, if you hear there's a female voice that tells him, "Mat piyo, it's killing you." So the film doesn't endorse smoking at all. There are constantly characters around him who are telling him to just stop the stick, but he's a nicotine addict, he's a cop, thoda sa sanki hai picture mein, and this is where he gets his fix from.
John, also we have been watching you in action movies here only for a while. Like Force 2 would be the upcoming one, another, and the last release, Rocky Handsome, was an action movie. This one also the same. So can we see Garam Masala Sam anytime back?
I don't know. I think that we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. It's too early to say. And right now it's just I finished.
Comedy.
Yeah, maybe in the future. Yeah, sure, for a change.
You're looking stunning today.
Thank you.
Okay. So, we have seen the boys do a lot of action in the film. And, few of your glimpses are as well seen in the film.
Yeah.
So, is there more to it on the action front from your side?
Well, actually, I was just happy to be part, because there is so much action in the film concerning the boys. There's a full chase, there's a full adventure happening in the locations and stuff as well. And I was actually part of that. So I was part of that chase with them. So whatever they were going through, whatever they were running from and trying to achieve, I was part of that. And yeah, it was a crazy adventure.
It was crazy.
It was. I mean, like I said, we got to witness those animals animals in real life. We got to, that entire bike that you see, that entire sequence was off a cliff, you know. So I'm not saying I'm like beating and bashing up anyone, but just to be part of that to me also was a huge high octane action, you know. So to be part of that was amazing.
So did you enjoy yourself in that process?
Yeah, it was crazy. I mean, like very.
She got a swollen knee doing Zumba. That's true.
I used to make them, when we were shooting in Morocco, I used to make them, including John, do Zumba after shoot. So I did get a swollen knee actually. It wasn't from the action sadly, but it was from Zumba. Thank you, Varun, for sharing that with everyone.
Sajid ji, on your left. Yeah.
Where is he?
सब लोग point करो उसको किधर है? उठाओ.
तो साजिद जी ऐसे में तो क्या आप मोदी जी को भी आप ये फिल्म दिखाएंगे क्योंकि
किसको?
मोदी जी को.
मोदी जी को तू फोन कर.
प्रोडक्शन वालों का काम है ये आपके फिल्म का.
आपको डायलॉग अच्छी लगी?
जी बिल्कुल, बहुत ही अच्छे लगे.
हाँ, ये डायलॉग्स हुसैन दलाल ने लिखे और वो इस वक्त हमारे साथ है नहीं, बीच में है, एंड या ही स्टिल अलाइव, सॉरी, हमारे बीच नहीं है, एंड ही इज रिटन ऑल द लाइंस इन द फिल्म.
साजिद जी आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? ओके वरुण, वो
हाँ भाई तू बोल, हमारा रिश्ता बहुत पुराना है, बोल तू.
वो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस अंडरवियर में शूट करने का? अगर
बहुत अच्छा है.
वो मेरे साथ था तो अच्छा ही लगेगा ना.
बहुत अच्छा है. रोज जब मैं उठता हूँ अंडरवेयर में उठता हूँ, रोज जब मैं सोता हूँ अंडरवेयर में सोता हूँ. उसके बीच में जो होता है वो मैं बता नहीं सकता इधर.
नहीं, यहाँ सेट पे इतने सारे
सेट पे बहुत नहीं, मस्त था यार, एकदम मस्त था. अच्छा हवा चल रहा था, जॉन भाई थे, तो मतलब एक अच्छा इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है.
एक दूसरे को देख रहे थे हम लोग.
हाँ, खुश थे.
ओके जॉन, हाल ही में हाउसफुल 3 के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे अक्षय कुमार ने कहा कि आपको सांड बताया, उन्होंने कहा कि वो इस फिल्म में नहीं है, तो क्या आप भी उन्हें कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, मैं कुछ नहीं कहना चाहता हूँ, वो तो बॉस है.
ओके, अक्षय खन्ना जी कैसे हैं आप? यहाँ
भाई संभाल के पूछा, अभी संभाल के पूछ.
जी बिल्कुल. इतने दिनों की छुट्टियों पर गए थे आप या कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप? क्योंकि अमूमन देखा जाता है कि लोग छुट्टियों पर कहीं बीच पे जाते हैं या कहीं कुछ भी जाते हैं.
नहीं, I was not on holiday. I had some serious personal issues which I had to take care of, and nothing other than that.
You know, when the poster came out with the dog of and you and John Abraham, you know, I was going through a few mentions on Twitter, and some people were saying that these guys, they're having swag actually. And when we saw the promo today, we see the swag written all over the promo, and when the entire swimming trunks come into the picture, so the swag factor just hits the roof somehow. So could you just elaborate more on the swag factor that your fans are looking forward to?
I have honestly shown you, but I don't want to offend anyone over here. But I think the swag factor, I think it's just about the attitude that Rohit kind of told us to keep. Junaid and Kabir are two very distinct characters, and their characteristics are very distinct. He's quite hardcore, he is a loose cannon, and Junaid's a rookie cop. He wants to learn, he's very eager to learn, he wants to be part of the... So while I'm trying to be like hardcore and stuff, andar se I'm having a lot of insecurities and reservations, but I want to look cool. So that's why I have the bulldog and stuff. But yeah, honestly, I think the swag, where does it come from, bhaiya?
I think it comes from Rohit himself.
I don't know, it probably just comes from me, I guess.
Yeah, he's naturally
They both are just
swag.
copying me, Varun and John.
Naturally swag.
Why don't you show us how John walks and how I walk? No, show us. Why don't you show us? Just show us. Why don't you show us? No, just so he should know that this is not home where I'm the younger brother. This is my house. I've done this very often. I know all these people. So I think, why don't you show us? You can't bully me over here.
No. So it's a huge team that comes together to make them look so good.
ये डिशुम मतलब क्या है इस पूरी पिक्चर में? कुछ कनेक्शन है?
So बहुत कनेक्शन है. Dishum, I think पुराने films. I think more than me, I don't think I should answer this question. I think let him only. Why did we call it Dishum?
Dishum जो word है, I think at least हमारे देश में, इंडिया में, before you say मम्मी पापा अब्बू अम्मी, बच्चा डिशुम बोलता है. मतलब बच्चा या कहीं भी हो, you know, of any age, any strata of society, it's the first word that usually a child utters while he's playing with his toys and just beating them up himself. So I just feel it, ये action genre जो होता है, there's no better word to describe it in our country. You know, Dishum just means punch, and whether it's a line, a punch line, or it's someone hitting each other, or it's a chopper, or a bike, or a speedboat, जिस बात में वो थोड़ी punch हो, it's just, that means Dishum for me.
तो आपने अपनी जिंदगी में किसको सबसे ज़्यादा डिशुम बोला है?
बोला नहीं, मतलब साउंड सुना, हाँ, वरुण को मारते वक्त. बहुत खाया उसने बचपन से.
So okay.
See, the cricketer in the film, he's India's top batsman, just like Virat Kohli. He's athletic looking, extremely attractive, just like Virat Kohli. उसकी हारती हुई मैचेस जिताने की आदत है, just like Virat Kohli. But his name is Virat Sharma, and he's not Virat Kohli.
No, I think except the name. I love the name, and I played Kabir in Dhoom.
And he's not a Roy agent.
And I'm not a Roy agent in this, so it's a different template. It's a different format. It's an action adventure film. It's very different, and I love this space. I really love this space.
I'd also like to use this opportunity to ask you about some issues that happened recently with Kannai Bhatt and the controversial Sanjita video. So do you think people in the country should have some boundaries, or do you believe in absolute freedom?
I don't think anybody has any boundaries today, on social media today. So very honestly, I think there's nothing like honesty on the net in any case. So all you guys have become so brave on the net because no one has a face today. So it's fantastic, to actually combat faceless people most of the time. So congratulations to all of you on social media.
Not turning sexier by
Really? Stop it.
What is the mantra, and was Varun, he fainted because he was having a hard girl recital?
Auntie, I see you and faint all the time. आपको तो पता है हमारा last time I answered your question. You called me something, so I said this time I'm not going to tell you.
What'd she call you?
I can't say it over. I can't say it over. We have a
What is your mantra?
Fitness mantra?
No, not turning sexier.
Turning sexy mantra.
What do you do? Any oils, any milk, any... No, even I think, what do you do?
Come on.
No, how do I know?
follow your mantra. I just think that if you work out and you diet and... See, honestly speaking, a lot of people thinks it comes very easy, but we all can tell you it doesn't. It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of discipline when you need to work out and make a body. And these guys, I know when we were shooting in Abu Dhabi and you guys were doing your chaddi shot, it was like you guys worked for worked out for at least 40 days straight. They weren't, eating any carbs. So it's very difficult, and I think more than anything, you've just got to be happy as well. You've got to be happy.
कई दिनों के बाद आज हम मीडिया से मुखातिब हो रहे हैं, डर वर्षा था या क्या था?
I've always been scared of the media, so nothing new.
जानना चाहूँगा कि इसमें इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच की बात हो रही है, तो इसमें पाकिस्तान कितना है और क्या लगता है कि अगर वो नेगेटिव रेफरेंस है पाकिस्तान का तो पाकिस्तान
I would like to clear this. बिल्कुल नेगेटिव रेफरेंस नहीं है पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ या किसी भी कम्युनिटी के खिलाफ. It's a very positive representation, and in fact what we are trying to show that for certain people sometimes money is the religion. It's not being an Indian or being a Pakistani or being a Hindu or being a Muslim or a Christian or whatever. Money is sometimes the biggest motive behind things, and जो आम जनता होती है, they get fooled into thinking that this is the reason. But I think in today's day and age, at least in the capitalist world that we live in, money is the biggest driving force for most crimes, I feel.
एक सवाल और है कि जो क्रिकेटर किडनैप होता है उसका नाम विराट शर्मा है, जो मिलता जुलता विराट कोहली से है.
हाँ जी.
तो क्या कुछ विराट कोहली से इस बारे में बात हुई या कुछ बताएंगे?
When I met Virat because we both support the same team in football, so I've told him about it. He knows that we are making something on these lines, and he's quite cool about it.
Yeah, but he's not Virat Kohli. I'm just reiterating that at all.
It's just that the script was conceived how much time back?
It's a completely fictional script.
Because it was written long back, no?
Yeah, written years ago. So he's a top cricketer in your country right now. So you can let your imagination fly and think whoever you want him to be.
अभित, मेरा सवाल आपसे, देसी बॉयज में आप जॉन क्वालिटी डायरेक्ट कर चुके और यहाँ पे अक्षय सर जैसे दिग्गज, वरुण धवन जैसे दिग्गज, जैकलिन, पहला दिन शूट का जब आप उनके साथ आपने काम किया, चाहे मैं अक्षय सर की बात करूं या मैं वरुण की बात करूं, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा? और क्या जब आप कोई सीन एक्सप्लेन करते थे, कई बार होता है कि एक्टर आपकी बात से इत्तेफाक नहीं रखता है, कुछ चेंजेस चाहता है कि ये इंप्रूवमेंट हो सकते हैं, तो कैसा दिन रहा स्पेशली अक्षय जी के साथ and Varun के साथ. Do you got emotional while saying action to Varun Dhawan?
नहीं इमोशन सब घर पे ही होता है. Not while shooting. We were extremely professional with each other in the capacity of an actor and director. और कुछ कभी सेट पे कभी इश्यूज नहीं हुई थी बिकॉज वी हैड स्पेंट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम स्क्रिप्ट के साथ. हमने रीडिंग्स की थी तो सबको अपना किरदार बहुत क्लियरली पता था. सो ऑल दैट वाज यू नो जस्ट बिहाइंड क्लोज डोर्स. सो उसकी कुछ रीजनिंग भी नहीं होती थी सेट पे. इट वाज वी टू जस्ट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन गेटिंग द डेज वर्क, क्योंकि एज यू कैन सी इट वाजंट एन ईजी फिल्म टू मेक फॉर मी एंड माई टीम. यू नो तो स्क्रिप्ट की बातें, परफॉर्मेंस की बातें सब हो गई थी पहले. And they both, as you asked me, they both have been extremely fantastic to work with. Varun is an extremely hard-working, hungry actor, you know, who wants to give his best to every single shot. And in my limited experience of just 2 films, I feel it's been an absolute pleasure and joy to direct an actor like Akshay Khanna. And I don't think there's anyone else who has such great understanding of material, you know.
Honestly, I think मेरे साथ कुछ ज़्यादा ही professional थे, and I can vouch for this. You can ask the other actors. You can ask John for sure. Wouldn't he shout at me the most on set? And John would take up for me always.
I would always hear Varun go, Bhaiya, one more shot, na Bhaiya, please, one more shot. I would always, and Rohit's like, no, and then he'll be like, okay, fine, come,
John.
one more. She's answered. Right, Bhaiya, one more shot.
Jacqueline, you're a phenomenal dancer, and we see some glimpses of your dancing as well in the promo. So could you tell us something about the music and your dance sequences? And
we have a really special track coming up in the next year, very soon, which we're all very excited about, and we worked extremely hard on this. We took a lot of time to actually shoot it as well, and it's a situational song, but you guys heard glimpses of it throughout the trailer, and we're really excited to release it very soon.
And what's really cool, I think, for Preetham fans or for like fans of music, if you loved Subha Hone Na De, I think Rohit and Preetham are teaming up after that. So
yes,
expect
it's a
something
special
big.
one. It's a special one.
डी नगर पुलिस स्टेशन में एक अभी मामला दर्ज हुआ है. फारूक ने करवाया है वो स्क्रिप्ट.
फारूक तो मेरा ड्राइवर है.
अब पता नहीं ये
अच्छा क्या
आपके और अक्षय के खिलाफ स्क्रिप्ट का कुछ मामला है.
डिशुम की
नहीं, कॉपीराइट इशू.
अच्छा नहीं, अभी तक आया नहीं कुछ.
Varun and John, the trailer reminds us of Dhoom in a way. Dhoom has matured a lot, so is there a plan to make Drishyam into a franchise, both of you?
It's nothing like Dhoom, but because John was in the first Dhoom, the original Dhoom, I think he should answer why it's different.
Yeah, I think when I heard the script of Drishyam, this is the first thing I told Sajid and I told Rohit was that Drishyam will go up to Drishyam 8. You'll have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because this is a very young action adventure franchise, and you know, Kabir and Junaid will find new problems, new issues, and move to different places, and it's going to be fun. It's a great franchise. It's a great franchisable film. Yeah,
this
Nandu.
is your second film with Sajid. How is the
It's not the second.
Yeah.
We've
okay.
released a lot of films with Mr. Sajid Nadiadwala.
How has the association been with Sajid?
Excellent.
Just
it's a pleasure.
one, right?
It's a pleasure.
Would you like to elaborate?
It's a pleasure. Wait.
That's elaborating.
Varun, your character reminds us of Chris Tucker from Russia. So, what was your preparation for this role, and क्या कौन-कौन सी inspiration थी आपकी इस role?
Preparation, I've never held a gun actually in any film. So first I had to learn that, so there was some kind of training for that. Secondly, he's very earnest, very honest. He really wants to be a good police officer. I think the more important preparation was that I'm playing a Emirati cop, a cop based in UAE, in Abu Dhabi. So I had to kind of learn a little Arabic. And it's there. There's a portion in the film, perfect the language, perfect the way how cops speak over there. It's quite different from the cops in Mumbai. So to go and observe, luckily we did have, the police did help us a lot over there, so I got to spend some time with them as well, of how they go about their day-to-day, how they keep people in check. So that, and where the comedy is concerned, I think that's in the lines, the way Hussain has written it, how the screenplay, how Tushar has written it, and I think Rohit's really good with comedy. So those things came about. I mean, it's in the line ki, tu munna bhai hoga, lekin main circuit nahi hu. All that is all there.
हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन हमारी मुलाकात आपसे हो रही है, हाउसफुल के प्रमोशन में हैं आप, डिशम का हिस्सा हैं आप, यहाँ मौजूद हैं. आप शूट कब करते हो? We have seen you. We have been, you know, we have every second day, you know, we are here for some promotion. For some time for Houseful 3, now you are here for Dishum. After 2.
देखो मैं कितना मेहनत करती हूँ कि प्रमोशंस कर सकती हूँ, शूटिंग कर सकती हूँ. हाँ आप लिखते कभी
और अपने लिए
आप
काम
हमेशा हाँ
अपने लिए काम करती हूँ।
हाँ वो नहीं है
मैम यू प्लीज
जॉन फॉर अ चेंज आप शूज में नजर आ रहे हैं, तो ये चेंज कैसे आ गया?
क्योंकि I borrowed these shoes. I only have chappals and
आफ्टर मैरिज चेंज आ गया?
नहीं मेरे पास चप्पल्स ही है और मेरे पास I just got enough clothes to fit into one suitcase. उससे ज़्यादा मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं, बस काफ़ी है यार।
रोहित, मेरा सवाल आपसे, प्रोमो में यू आल्सो सीन नरगिस इन द प्रोमो, तो नरगिस का कितना बड़ा किरदार होगा फिल्म के अंदर? उनकी मौजूदगी भी नहीं है, उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
It's a special cameo in the film. It's a special cameo and she actually plays a very interesting and fun character who both the cops interrogate regarding the case, Kabir और जुनैद।
Stand, say. एक मिनट, एक बेचारी को बोलना है, कुछ बोलो। हाय जानकी, कैसी हो तुम? What's up? हाँ? अच्छा इतना मैंने ये किया, सीधा जैकलीन से
Janki's preferences are very different.
Janvi, naughty girl.
Varun's very sad
Janki
right
is
now.
female dostana.
You know that will be headlines. हाँ, please talk.
आपने मल्टी-स्टार मूवी भी करी है और सोलो भी करी है, तो आपको कौन से कैटेगरी में ज़्यादा
करती हूँ?
What do you want to do more? That you love money. Say that.
Shut up. No, actually, I've done both, and I started my career also doing a lot of multi-star films, and they are a lot of fun to do. I have to say, now I'm promoting also Houseful 3 and Dishoom together. I've worked on both these films last year. There's so much you learn from multi-stars, and they're great fun. And even when you're doing a solo, heroine film as well, sometimes you miss like female co-stars and female energies on set. But then of course you become one of the guys and you learn a lot from them, and it's you don't get any more attention because guys tend to bond a lot more on set. But I think to answer your question, because I just went on speaking.
Just say I love money.
Shut up.
My best friend Sonam is turning a year younger.
Yes.
लड़कों के लिए older, लड़कियों के लिए younger.
Fortunately, I won't be here. I'm going to be shooting abroad, by
Okay,
the way.
okay.
I'm going to be shooting. I'm leaving on Friday. But yeah, I'm sure she's going to have a nice big party.
Was it a prankster set since all of you are like young and your brother? Was it a lot of
We don't fool around.
We don't fool around during work. We
Rohit, you
mean
can't fool
business.
around.
Yeah.
We mean business. We are
Yeah.
some hardcore cops, and we mean business, and we interrogate people really, really.
But
properly.
Coco was really fun, the monkey. We made good friends with Coco.
That's it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for being here.
prankster?